Hi, welcome to the channel, Paul's DIY Tools, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Teeno Cordless circular saw. So let's move over to the workbench and take a look. Okay, let's see what we've got in the box. So we have the Teeno circular saw, cordless, 165mm blade. This blade was already fitted to the saw when it came. It's a 24 tooth, so it's obviously what we would probably call as a rip blade. It has a 54mm cut depth at 90 degrees and a 38mm cut depth at 45 degrees. First impressions, yes, it's definitely got some weight to it, which is a good thing. The usual height adjustment here. The gauge for reading the height is sort of tucked away on the inside of this bar, which is not ideal. To actually see you sort of read it that way, which I think could have been designed a little bit better, to be fair, and had something that was here like you normally would find rather than being tucked away in there, but that is what it is, I suppose. I paid £54 for this off Amazon. I haven't tried it yet. This is just a first look. You've got your 45 and your 90 adjustment on the front, which is pretty standard. It comes with, again, 20 volt 4Ah battery. I'm intrigued to see how long that, or how that's going to perform. Charge indicator. We have obviously the charger, which on the packaging is quoted to be a quick charger. Again, once I've tried this, put it through its paces a little, then we'll see how quick that charger is. Edge guide, and of course little plastic adapter there for your dust extraction, and obviously your manual. Like I say, I haven't tried this yet, so there will be a further video to review the performance of it. But what I will do in this video is we shall cut a few various pieces of woods and see how it performs. The battery did come fully charged. I do like the brake on that, that seems really good. So like I say, I will set up a few various pieces of woods and we'll see how it performs. Okay, we'll start off with a piece of hard flooring. Doesn't seem to have any issues with that. And now a piece of chipboard. And next, another piece of decking. We'll just adjust the blade slightly, give us a bit more depth. That should be good enough. Okay. seems to have some power behind it, which is another piece of soft pine. Again, no problem at all. Okay, first impressions of the Teeno Cordless circular saw. Yeah, performed quite adequately, to be fair. Like I said earlier, I'll carry out a project or two. We'll see how this battery gets on, see what kind of time scales we can get out of it, and then obviously we'll see how quick this charger is. But like I say, first impressions, yeah, seems okay.